gosh, it looks like a worm meatball.
It is a worm meatball. That's gross and cool.
Yeah. They're so awesome.
All right, let's see how many worms we've got.
Woo! Oh my gosh, look at all these worms. The cardboard is very melty feeling.
Ooh, look at those.
Look at all the
Worm
worms.
spaghetti, look at them all.
Woo.
Peel back this cardboard.
It's worm-getty.
Oh no, there's more cardboard. Oh look, they're on the cardboard.
Yeah.
All right, peel that up too.
Bye,
It looks like they're
wormies.
eating the
Ugh.
cardboard.
It looks like they made
no.
it moist.
Look at that, more worms.
Woo. We have sprouts, our little food seeds. The seeds that were in the food that we gave them actually sprouted.
And we actually have those growing in the raised bed now. We took a few out and we put them in the raised bed and they're actually growing really well. Let's see if we can find any more worms real quick here. Oh, look at them. They look fantastic.
Look.
All right.
It's a worm.
Wow, look at that. They look great. Look how many. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back.
Yep.
It has been 3 weeks since the worms have come to live here in this awesome worm bin.
That's a long time.
It is, and they're doing great. I can't say how much I love these worms. They're really doing awesome. We've learned a couple things since getting the worms. The first thing I would like to say is they can eat produce, but it takes forever. You can see they've been chewing on it, but this piece of squash has been in here for 3 weeks and they're having a hard time digesting that. I've found that what you can do is actually freeze the produce, freeze the food scraps first, and then when they thaw, they become mushy and much easier for the worms to eat. And if you want to give your worms an extra boost and help them grow really fast, which is what we did, and we've seen a lot of worm growth, you throw it in the blender. You make, look at that little guy go. You make a worm smoothie. So that's what we have today.
Look, it's a worm.
There's a worm.
He's throwing a tantrum.
He looks so healthy and good.
Yeah, he's so happy.
He's waiting for his food.
Yep.
We are going to feed them a big old worm smoothie. In this smoothie, we have all kinds of frozen vegetable scraps. Go ahead and dig us a nice trench because we got 2 pitchers of stuff to pour in there.
All right, I've already started. I have a big,
dig
big area.
it a little bit deeper. Not too deep, but we want to
Oh, look, there's lots of
dig
worms.
down. Oh, look at the worms. Oh, they're eating something down here. Ew, that's what smells.
Ew,
Okay.
ew, it's mushy.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Whatever it is, they're eating it. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to dump in our worm smoothies, which have all kinds of scraps. They've got onions, apple cores, pepper tops. We got a whole mix of stuff and coffee grounds on top of that, all made into this deliciously gross smoothie for these worms to eat. And they will eat this right up, and this will help them because worms do not have teeth. They can't chew.
Yep.
So obviously a smoothie will be very easy for them to eat and digest.
Yeah.
So
Worms all over the place.
here we go with the first one. This is the one with all the coffee grounds in it. Here, you're going to have to let your friend go.
Aw, okay.
All right, go ahead and pour that on there.
This is the coffee smoothie.
Yep, that's got coffee grounds and
Well, it's flashing.
cauliflower chunks just all blended up. That is a gross mess, but it's delicious for the worms. All right, set that to the side. We got another pitcher full. This one has a whole mix of random vegetable stuff.
This I call the random smoothie.
This
And
is
it goes right on top. Actually,
ew,
that's
splashy.
Ew. Frosting on a disgusting
That is
cake.
gross. Now, something that we've done to
Looks
help
like
our worm
barf.
farm is go to the thrift store. And at the thrift store, we picked up 2 awesome things. One was this old blender.
Yep.
It's a little cranky, but it works. It was cheap, and we use it to blend up all our worm scraps. You can set that down to the side.
And second is a paper shredder to shred up all our little bits of paper here. Got lots of papers.
Yes, and that way we can easily add shredded paper without having to rip it up by hand. Now,
Yep.
go ahead and grab the box of shredded paper. We're going to cover up the smoothie with that.
Yeah, and conveniently, we now have some paper shreds.
Yes, and it's a little cranky too. It actually kind of quit on us here.
So we had to rip it up by hand.
It got clogged up. We need to unclog it, but it helped a lot. So go ahead and dump that right on top of the food.
And these are the sprinkles on the cake.
Yep, look at that. Spread that around to cover up their food. They will be happy.
I don't want to touch it, so I'm not going to go too deep.
And the other thing I want to mention is we were having a slight problem.
I lost the
Oh, I took it out.
Okay, good.
We had a problem with fire ants getting in here, but we don't have that problem anymore. There's no ants. You want to go ahead and start covering them up with the cardboard? They like their blanket. If you check out my other video talking about getting rid of fire ants in the raised bed, we also used it to get rid of a colony that was here right near the worm bin with spinosad. Spinosad is an organic bug killer, and it takes care of fire ants without killing your plants. So that's what we did. We had fire ants, we got rid of those. We froze our produce and then blended it so the ants could eat better. And we bought a shredder so we could shred some paper to put it on there. It makes it a lot easier and quicker. So far we do not have any leachate. No liquids are leaching out of the bottom of this. And that's okay. Even if it never does leach anything out, they're still creating some great worm compost. We're really excited to use this in our garden. And I am just really enjoying the worm project so far. The kids love it too. It's fantastic. And the worms are healthy. They're growing. They're eating everything. It's just an incredible project.
Yeah.
And I would also like to mention that my helper here, SnekLady, has started her own channel. So you should head over and check her out. She's got a video up on baking bread, and I think she's got one in the works about making pancakes. So if you're interested in seeing how she cooks, head over there. I'll put a link in the description.
Yes, thank you.
No problem. All right, is there anything else you want to say about worms before we get out of here?
They are kind of wiggly and gross, but I really like holding them.
That was fun. All right, so thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Give us a comment. If you're growing your worms, we'd love to hear about it and what you do and what you feed them and all that good stuff, because we are just having a blast with this worm bin. Vermicomposting is really cool, and we enjoy it.
Bye.
All right, have a blessed day, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Right now, they're just standing there.